Hi dear students, we are starting to new chapter, length, mass and capacity, and the first lesson is converting the metric units. Here we are going to deal about the metric units. The metric units are meter, gram and liter. If we are talking about the length, our metric units is meter. If we are talking about mass, the gram, and if we are talking about the capacity, our metric unit, it's going to be liter. Here there is a table conversion between the units and the unit here, meter, gram and liter, one of them, it's going to be the unit of the system. Here it is the center 1, it's shown here. With respect to the prefixes, we are going to understand that it is bigger than our unit or smaller than our unit. Commonly we are going to use kilo, centi and milli units for our operations or for our questions. Okay, let me explain on the table what does it mean. If my unit is liter or gram, let's choose gram. Here with respect to this one, if you multiply by 10, or I can explain like this, 10 to the power of 1 gram is going to be equal to gram. 10 to the power of 1 gram, it's going to be decagram. And 10 to the power of 3 gram, it's going to be equal to kilogram. 10 to the power of 3 here, so our unit is gram, and if it is 10 to the power of 3 gram, it's going to be kilogram. Or if it is 10 to the power of minus 2 gram, which is centigram, it's going to be centigram. Or 10 to the power of minus 3 gram, it's going to be equal to milligram. Okay, so mainly we are going to use the center of this table. We can continue. 10 to the power of minus 12 gram is picogram, or 10 to the power of minus 15 gram is femtogram, and you can enlarge to the other side also. 10 to the power of 9 gram, it's equal to gigagram, we can say. With respect to converting units, I'm going to explain here. When you go to this side, from smaller to, if you have smaller units, and if you are going to converting to bigger units, smaller to bigger, we are going to divide. If we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, bigger unit given, and we are going to convert to smaller, bigger to smaller, we are going to multiply our units with respect to this table. I'm going to explain how to do that one now. Let's solve these questions to understand the conversion here, converting better. And I put the table here. I said the center is most important for us, so I put this table here to understand better. The first question, from centimeter to meter. So we are going to convert the unit centimeter to meter, which is bigger. Here, if I duplicate this one here, if I bring here, if our unit is meter and it's centimeter given to us, it is given to us, from this unit to this unit we are going to convert, and the difference between them here, 10 to the power of 2 unit. So if you remember in the first page I said like this, if you are smaller to bigger, if you are converting, you are going to divide. So the smaller unit it is given to me, and I'm going to convert to bigger unit. That's why I'm going to divide by 10 to the power of 2. So 2790 centimeter, it's going to be 2790 divided by 100 meter, which is also I can say like this, 10 to the power of 2 meter, which is equal to 2790 divided by 100, then that's equal to 27.90 meter. So if you remember, again I'm repeating, we are going to divide when we convert smaller to bigger. In the second exercise, this was the A1, and now I'm going to solve the B1. 5.8 liter is given, and we are going to convert to milliliter. If I copy this one again here, this one, and if I put here, this time the unit is different. This time unit is liter, and we are going to convert to milliliter. So milliliter, and here from this unit to this side, this time from bigger unit to smaller unit. So we are going to multiply. First we should remember that one. And what is the difference between them? 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 3, minus 3, I'm sorry. So 10 to the power of 3 unit, there is a difference between them. That's why from liter to milliliter, if you are converting milliliter, you are going to convert and you are going to multiply 10 to the power of 3. It's going to be 5.8 liter. It's going to be 5.8 times 10 to the power of 3 liter, milliliter, which is 5 to the power of 8 times 1000 milliliter, and the last one, it's going to be equal to 5,800 milliliter. It's going to be. Okay, now if we solve the third one, here the unit, it is not in this table, that's why I'm not going to use that one, but let's do like this, the C1. There is one important note here. 1 ton is 1000 kilogram. So this time we are giving smaller unit and we are going to convert to bigger one. From smaller to bigger one, from smaller to bigger unit, if you remember, we were divide, and we are going to divide. Here it is, the unit is given also. 1 ton is 1000 kilogram, so 800. If you are going to convert from the kilogram to ton, if you are going to convert from kilogram to ton, you are going to divide, which means 10 to the power of 3 divide by 10 to the power of 3. So 867 kilogram divided by 10 to the power of 3, it's going to be 867 divided by 10 to the power of 3, which is 1000, and the answer is going to be 0.867 ton. It's going to be the answer of the question. Here this is the kilogram, and we convert that one to ton.